spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, back by popular demand, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at the new products for our three-rail layouts and libraries and train rooms. You will find links to more information about each of the following products in the video description. This week's episode is brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by our friends at Amazon, who also provide our first new products this week. First, we have an exciting new addition to our railroad libraries, Commodities by Freight Car. This all-new book from Jeff Wilson explores several commodities and products carried by rail, along with a historical look at the freight cars used to carry them. Learn about more than a dozen specific commodities with a brief history of the industry and products involved in the types of freight cars used for it from the steam era through today. Types of commodities covered include lumber, coal, cement, coil steel, and other industrial products. Consumer products include grain, flour, sugar, frozen foods, and more. This is a great guide to help match freight cars to the industries on your layout. Next is Design Guide for Scenery Lighting, Low-Cost, High-Density Lighting Methods for Model Railroads and Dioramas. This book by Jack Olivieri describes the concepts behind lighting model railroad buildings, cars, towers, bridges, and other scenes on a model railroad using LEDs. It describes a simple approach to achieving a high-density, low-cost method for lighting your model railroad using a dimming controller with either custom LEDs or commercially available pre-lit buildings. Follow the links on the description page for more information about these and other great Amazon items, and while you're there, place an order to help support your favorite YouTube channel. This is your favorite YouTube channel, isn't it? MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Scale Dixie Wine and Cheese 3-story city building for MTH authorized dealer The Train Loft this fall. The building will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in October 2023. The early order price is $84.95. MTH has also announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Scale Train World 3-story city building for MTH authorized dealer Train World in Brooklyn, New York. The building will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in October 2023. The early order price is $99.99. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 3-truck Shay steam locomotive in Elk River Coal and Lumber No. 12 livery for MTH dealer Patrick's Trains of Wheeling, West Virginia. The locomotive will be produced in a very limited quantity and is available for order on a first-come, first-served basis, with an anticipated arrival date of November 2023. The early order price is a mere $1,349.95, or 2 arms and a kidney. Sorry, just kidding. And MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Scale RS3 diesel locomotive in Batten Kill Railroad livery for exclusive distribution by the Metropolitan Division of the TCA and MTH authorized retailer Easy Catch. The locomotive will be available in an authentic cab number in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis with an anticipated arrival date of October 2023. The early order price is $389.99 plus freight. Menards has introduced Johnson's Texaco Station, a fully assembled and decorated filling station with exterior illumination, gas pumps, service bays, and 2 licensed die-cast vehicles, a 1957 Dodge Swepside pickup and a flamboyant 1958 Plymouth Fury coupe. Structure lighting requires power through one of Menards 4.5 volts power supplies, not included. You can connect them through a single plug over the tabletop or from beneath the station. The neat station retails for $44.99 before rebate. Menards has announced new road names in their Quad Bay Hopper series. The new names include Seaboard System, Southern Railway, and Great Northern. The hoppers retail for $24.99 each, or $124.94 for a 6-pack before rebates. Menards has also announced 2 new road names in their line of Orecars, BNSF and New Haven. The cars retail for $34.99 a pair, or $119.96 for an 8-pack before rebates. Speaking of Orecars, Ready-Made Trains has announced the first of 46 road names in their premium series Orecars that are now arriving at authorized RMT dealers. The cars retail for $29.95 each. Visit ReadyMadeToys.com or your local RMT dealer for details. Woodland Scenics has introduced the Toy and Hobby Junction structure in its Built and Ready series of highly detailed buildings. The structure includes a fully detailed interior and retails for $171.99. Lastly, check out the link in the video description and check out these and other cool railroad decor items from our friends at Amazon. This channel does receive a small commission on items purchased through these links, so when you place an order, you get a cool item and you're supporting your favorite YouTube channel. That's all for this week. Don't forget to look for our newest long-form video this Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Until then, keep the trains running.